okay, you back to talking that shit again. Question me about where I've been. I don't even know why you here. You didn't even poke me here. I put it all on the line. I'll be loving you every night. You don't wanna come home to right. Man, I wish I had some seconds away from just flipping out. How could you say
outside? The reason why you always on my border. Come around like it's
Guys, I am in shock. This literally looks Hey y'all, it's Avea Cherie and welcome back to another hair tutorial video. Hi. So guys, we have a wig from NICY hair. It's called NICY wig. NICY, I think it's called NICY, something like that. But this is the wig I'm about to be doing, and y'all know if I look this crazy, it's wig day, duh. So this is what the wig looks like. I'm about to bleach pluck it. Y'all know the drill. I'm about to show you the hair, and then yeah.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2006. One fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, come here, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it out though.
Guys, so guys, the wig on my head, I plucked it, I bleached it, and this is what it's giving. This is the hair. It's curly hair, it's not straight. 12:15 on Sunday, July 20th. What's the time? Yeah, so the hair is really soft. I forgot what to do, but as I go on, I'm gonna, adjust it up. But we're about to do the ball cap method, and y'all about to see me look crazy.
She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. How you want to run like a nothing? I think that's about me. Have my head stiff. No fair, no cash. Cause too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see. Why your hearts I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody who run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
Guys, while I put up my band, I'm going to be looking for some hairstyles, and I'm gonna show you guys 2 different ones that I find.
Yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me.
This can't be our first time. We might be for the still fresh in my mind. I'm looking for some things that I've been at. You gotta share somebody but love for the one.
Where? Okay, right there, it's there. But everywhere else, where is the lace? Like, period. Like, I didn't even put makeup on the outside yet, and look at it. Like, where's the lace? Where is it? Somebody tell me where it is. Like, where is it?
I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it
Guys, I'm in shock. This literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, y'all can't tell me this is not my real hair. Like, period. Like, I do wigs, y'all. Like, yeah, I do wigs because what? This is coming out of my head. Like, this is coming out of my head. I need to invest in some makeup for real, because this is not my skin color and it's still eating. But I look crazy, but trust the process. So I section off my hair, and then I'm about to part out my edges and then like comb them. It looks so crazy, but it's okay. This is how everything is right now. We're gonna like put everything in a ponytail how I like it, and then yeah. I flattened everything out and we're just about to put it in a little ponytail and then flatten out some more and then do these baby hairs. I'm gonna do like more styles, guys, because I don't be doing a lot of style. I'll be doing the middle part, side part, and I might do like 2 ponytails. But, and I'm liking bangs, so yeah, this is how it's looking. Cutting the edges now. Remember to cut in an angle. These are my middle, so okay guys, I'm back. So this is the end of the hair vlog. This is how everything looks. You guys do know that I like to dress cute and then show you the full hair. Maybe I'm doing something, so I'm going to get dressed and I'm going to show you guys my hair bro. It's currently 3:15 on July 21st. So this is my hair. This is the back of it. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna puff it out. This is the curly pattern of the hair. This is the color brand. Thank you guys for watching. It's Avea. Make sure you like, comment what you guys want me to do, and if you like this video, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. Period. Yeah, so.
In the mirror, I got myself. Don't need much, I'm fuck my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like months. Life move fast and you do what you want. Got this time, go where I want.